Ceramic rings. Ceramic rings are simple cylindrical shaped tubes with an aspect ratio of 1:1, meaning their height and diameter are approximately equal. Ceramic Raschig rings are available in various sizes ranging from 15 mm to 150 mm. They are used in large numbers as a packed bed within columns for distillations and other chemical engineering processes. Apart from distillation processes, they are also used in devices where gas and liquid are put in contact for purposes of gas absorption, stripping or chemical reaction, and as a support for biofilms in biological reactors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.